Okay, sorry about that. Once again, I hit the on-off button. Gloves, you know. But check it out. That's awesome. Sorry for my scarf. Yay. Bobcat tracks. That's cool. Here, kitty, kitty. Don't know if he's out here. And of course, the giant grapevine. Gotta do Grandpa. My glasses are starting to fog up. I would have to say that that's a kitty cat marking territory, wouldn't you? And the last video and pictures before the ice, sleet, snow, whatever it decides to be, decides to hit tonight, I see lots and lots more tracks, which is so cool. Maybe I need to see about taking a class on track identification, huh? That would be neat. I wonder what did these, because I know that was not me. Too cool. Okay, well, let's go peek at the waterfall, see how it's doing. That over there could have been the beaver. It could have been the raccoons. I don't know. Well, obviously, I lost track of which way the kitty cat went. Somebody played in the snow there. Check that out. Let's see what we got going here. Whee! Doesn't that look beautiful? Check out the creek. And I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the waterfall. Hear that? I mean, of course, I was not tracking the cat, so I wasn't really paying attention which way his feet went, or his footprints. Ooh, I see icicles. This is so cool. There's my tracks from the other day. A lot of stuff has melted, some stuff hasn't. It's just so pretty out here. These are not me. Cool tracks, though. Now that bird, I think, is called a pine siskin. I'm not sure. I just caught a little glimpse of it. And it looks like somebody's been crossing the creek here. See those prints? Lots of somebody's. Wow. Too cool. I wonder. Oh, the camera's way over there, so it's not going to show it. Oh well. Either way, this is still the coolest stuff. I think so, anyways. I believe it is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Awesome. Yeah, something went a lot through here and down there. I'd almost say with that dragging stuff, maybe it was the beaver. Who knows? Well, on that note, oh, kitty cat prints again. Sweet. Excuse my scarf. Maybe I need to start leaving some kitty cat treats out here for it. Just joking. Bobcats don't eat treats that domestic cats eat. It's a joke. And sorry about that, my plug got snagged on a branch. But I think I have enough battery to finish this up and then head back. So is that not just beautiful, really? I think it is. So quiet, so peaceful, and so beautiful. Wow. Excuse the shakiness, I'm trying to take pictures with gloves on. because I do like that UCut software app thing, but have not been able to figure out how to save it to the SD card instead of to the phone. And yesterday I did not have enough memory. So that's why the walkabout was divided into 3 instead of one long stitched together video. It didn't let me do it. Anyways, those are sea oats. They seem to be uneaten still. I don't know what eats them. I was thinking the deer, maybe the birds. And tomorrow we'll be back and we'll see how everything looks after the next round, if it's dry enough for me to come down here. If it's still coming down, you'll just get a peek from the porch. I'm not going to wander out here while that stuff's falling. It's just not smart. Last look about. I love this area down here. It's a shame it floods. Yeah, if you look at the video, deer and floodwaters, this is where she was. The camera was on that tree right there. And she was over by that tree right there, standing in the floodwaters. Alrighty, so heading back up and then going back to the house. It's been fun. It's been cold. The sky is getting darker and darker. And I will see you guys on the flip side. Ciao.